everyone, welcome to SGS Japan channel. Today I'm going to share some tips for project management. Project management is one of the important factors to succeed in a project. The title includes for functional safety, but the key essence is the same with all types of development. So I believe you can enjoy this video even if you're not working on functional safety. This course is to make project management very easy to understand for you. It consists of 8 topics. All the topics are very general and very important for project management. Today, I'm going to talk about the first 2 topics in the list. What is safety management and training plan? The rest of the topics will be uploaded. So the first topic is, what is safety management? In general, development management is considered as quality management, and quality management is included in project management. What comes to your mind when you hear the word project management? You might think about progress control, WBS, or risk management. And that's right. These are the activities considered for quality management. On the other hand, the development of functional safety, which one can achieve ASIL compliance, requires functional safety management. Then I'll further explain about safety management. In short, safety management is an organizational function for ensuring safety, and only functional safety development that implements a failure detector needs to manage the safety. Safety management must include these 3 things: standard processes for safety, definition of roles and responsibilities, and skill management system. And these things shall be defined in the safety plan. Then, who creates the safety plan? The answer is safety manager. As you know, the key person of the project is project manager. But a safety manager is as important as project manager for functional safety. A project manager takes responsibility for achieving safety activities. To explain it in another way, a project manager takes responsibility for project activities. This might make some sense to you. Besides this, a safety manager creates a safety plan and controls safety activities. Then, what should we write in a safety plan? The important thing is to identify safety activities and allocate respective resources. Not only that, but a safety manager also creates training, resources, schedule, tools, and risk plans. As you notice, there is a very thin line between a project plan and a safety plan. So we usually create a project plan which includes a safety plan. Okay, so I've explained about safety management so far. Now let's move on to the specific contents in a safety plan. Now I'd like to look at a training plan. What is a training plan means? Why is that necessary? A training plan provides training programs for each team members to improve their skills needed for the project. This brings to all the team members to higher level skills. There are 4 steps to create a training plan. First, define the level of skills for achieving a project. What skills should project members need to improve? Second, prepare a training programs. some seminars, certification, qualification, or training course. Identify the specific methods to improve the skills. Third, clarify the current skills and abilities of team members. And fourth and last, create a training plan for each member. This is an example of a training plan. We usually use competence matrix to define the level of skills. In this case, there are 5 levels of functional safety skills. Level 5 is the highest one for those already qualified AFSE certification. And if you qualified a AFSP certification, you are on level 4. These AFSE and AFSP are conducted by SGS TÜV, and AFSE stands for Automotive Functional Safety Experts, and AFSP stands for Automotive Functional Safety Professionals. And if you have a work experience for 3 to 7 years and already passed an internal exam or training, you can consider that you are on level 3. Then define the skills of team members. It's a relatively common way to use a matrix like this. In this case, for the unit design process, Engineer A has got a certification already, but Engineer C is still a freshman, and Engineer G has work experience for 3 to 7 years, but still not get any certification. Now consider a specific training program for each member. In this way, we create a training plan together with a research plan. Thank you for watching this course. Today, I introduced the tips of safety management and a training plan. We have a lot of another e-learning and consulting programs, so please read about section. See you in the next video. Bye!